Starting with assignment 15, which component of the data collection instrument is open, closed, and questions? Yeah, open-ended. Self-funded questionnaire, paper-based. Yeah, computer or computer-assisted. Yeah, because this is self-administered. That's why. Another question on the following should avoid words of every. Yeah, this we should avoid. Yeah, yeah. Structured observation guide is useful to document use checklist. Yes. The interviewer does not provide responses. Yeah, open-end question, no response at all. Disadvantages of closed questions with dichotomous option. Dichotomous means a yes or no. Yeah, oversimplifies. Yes, correct. Yes or no. Sometimes there is a gray zone, right? Things are not in life always white or black. They can be gray also sometimes. So it's a gray zone, but it does not encounter that. So yeah, that's why. Okay, so moving ahead. Information about participants' attitudes for behavior such as wearing helmets, washing hands before eating constitute. Yeah, judgment. Yeah, judgments, right. Type of question where there is a possibility to add another answer. Semi-open questions. Yeah, right. Like A, B, yes, no. If other, please specify something of that. You can put a blank, right? Yeah. The type of questions in a questionnaire which allow creation of continuous variables as responses. Closed questions. Yeah, closed questions with quantitative answers. Yeah. All are true regarding the order of questions in a data collection tool except from intimate to casual. Yeah, it is reverse actually. A question was framed by an ophthalmologist you had in the last 1 week. Okay. Uh, best describes multiple. Closed questions with multiple options. Yeah. MCQs, multiple choice question, right? But in that generally there is one answer. But here it can be more than one answer. Yeah. Then a researcher has framed the question, what is the monthly income of a family? The facts. That's a fact. Yeah. Open question, yeah, stimulates memory because then you have to think exactly, right? And what I have to write. Glasgow coma scale. Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, closed question. Yeah, closed question with quantitative answers. Remember the Glasgow coma scale, right? Eye opening, verbal movement, responding to verbal commands, motor movement. Remember that, right? EVM, yeah. Closed question 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is a closed question with quantitative answers, different categories, right? Eye opening, verbal response, verbal commands, then motor, yeah. Then foreign body knows. Review of records, yes. Last 2 years, correct. Order of a question should be all except. Yeah, exactly. From intuitive to casual, correct. Structured observation guide, yeah, A and B. Yeah. Study failures, yeah, all of the above. Open-ended questions, yeah, we don't give any response, yeah. Like if I set exam paper, like I have been setting exam papers for the last 12, 13 years. So in open question, I will never give. I just say explain. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah. Age in years, continuous variable. Yeah, because why? Because it can be in decibels, 3.5, 2.5. Ask a closed question. Okay. Yeah, this is oversimplifying the issue. Yeah, right. Exact age we want to know. Exact. Not a component. Tabulated results. Yeah. Never. Because it is part of results, not data collection. Then, which of the following is true about a data abstraction form? It is used to collect data by going through records. This is a data abstraction form used to collect data by going through records. Then false about a questionnaire. It should avoid skip patterns. Yeah, no skip patterns in a questionnaire. Correct. How do you spend your leisure time? Open-ended. Yeah, this is an open-ended question, right? The following is true about open question with closed answers. Its answers are not suggested by to the participants. Yeah. Answers are not suggested to the participants. Yeah, true. Frost is a type of question given below. This, I guess so, should be semi-open. Yeah. Not totally open and not totally closed. Somewhere in the middle. This is a gray zone, right? You give them an option also to write if others please specify. So that is a semi-open question. False about what a question is. They must use no. No scientific terms is required in a study tool. Yeah, true. Yes. Not followed. When and where did you get? Asking a single question. Yeah. A single question. When should be a different? Where is a different? Did you get tested? There are three questions in this. Whether before using a data collection is useful. Yes, true. Always. Like all the data collection tools I used in my thesis when I was doing my MD, I reviewed it all by the statistician. Yeah. Also about pilot testing conducted among persons who will be included in the study. No, not at all. Pilot is a very small scale study and it includes very few people. So study sample is different. Yeah. Just estimate. Yeah. Okay, bye.